11 things you didn't know about the Viper Room. Number 1. Before it was the Viper, the building had a checkered past. In fact, it was once the Melody Room, a known gangster hangout, where Bugsy Siegel and Mickey Cohen would get together and watch live jazz, and was also once known as the Central. But the spot really locked its LA cultural significance in the 70s, when it was Filthy McNasty's Adidas strip trendsetter that was featured on an album cover for the band Sweet, and was a regular hang for Tom Waits and Evil Knievel. Number 2. Adam Duritz, the singer from Counting Crows, was once a bartender there, and if faux dreads aren't your thing, so was Christina Applegate. Number 3. The first band to ever perform there was Tom Petty and the Heartbreakers. It was August 14th, 1993, and the timing makes sense, since right around that time, venue co-owner Johnny Depp appeared in the band's Into the Great Wide Open. Number 4. The Pussycat Dolls got their start there. They're best known as a washed-up pop group now, but for a while in the late 90s, they were the best-known burlesque group in LA, thanks to their Viper residency. Number 5. There is a hidden, secret whiskey bar downstairs. It's just past the cashier, is open almost every night, is generally free to enter, and has a ton of artisan booze, including slow hand white whiskey and Hochstadter slow and low rock and rye. Number 6. The backstage area is abetted with a stripper pole. It's not just an urban myth. We've seen it with our own eyes. Number 7. It's not the only Viper Room. In fact, they're embroiled in a trademark lawsuit with another club called the Viper Room in Portland, and there's a brothel called the Viper Room in Australia. There's also a total rip-off club in the Netherlands decorated to look like the Sunset Strip version. Number 8. Queens of the Stone Age once got paid $20 and 20 coronas to play there in 2005. After they were famous, it was under the secret name The Clocks, and they just wanted to play, man. Number 9. In the 90s, the Viper was also the site of Hollywood's most high-rolling poker game. It had a $10,000 buy-in, and players included Leo and Toby, of course. Number 10. Internationally renowned artist Louis Carrion recently added art to both the inside and outside of the club. The interior art, which covers the hallway to get into the club, looks like a wall of graffitied quotes, peace signs, and word soup, with backwards writing on the other side, and R.I.P. River Phoenix and Hunter S. Thompson homages up top. The outside now features a giant, seemingly stained glass man smoking a cigarette. Number 11. The Viper recently launched a line of licensed, high-end merch. It includes t-shirts and undies. So that was all for today's video. Let us know what you think about it in the comments section, and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on our latest uploads. With that said, we will see you next time. Until then, take care.